Vintage Living friends. So we just showed you little pictures of some of the jewelry this lady dropped off, and now we're going through the clothes. We taped this down so you don't see her personal information, but right off the top, I saw 40s, I saw 30s, I saw Victorian, so let's do an unboxing. Check out this gorgeous jacket. Navy long 40s. Love the lapels. Look at the buttons. So awesome. Weighted and beautiful. I also love this, and then I stopped going through it once I saw these three things. Look at this top. She needs a wash and a press, but love this, and the arrows all done by hand. The buttons are gorgeous, maybe Bakelite, so we'll see. We'll have to be very careful washing them. And then this guy, look, these are like little pin tuck pleats and embroidery here. And look at the size, the pale pink. Oh my god, so stunning. Probably actually more 20s than Victorian. Gorgeous, and again, a great size. Let's see what else the box reveals to us. Look at this wacky pocket. Could you imagine making this, all this gathering with the, whoa. That's awesome, right? I don't wear black, but this is really, really freaking cool. And we've got a metal zipper on the back. Exciting. These look like some slips. Stunning, stunning. Great length. And do we have a label? Oh, Trousseau by Terrace. Rayon. Lots of slips and nightgowns. Let's see this one. Correct. She's pretty too. Look at the little bows. It's like a shorter one. We've got a navy guy and a pink one. Another pink one. This one feels like a silk maybe. I just adore these. Oh, I'm seeing some cool prints at the bottom. Another navy piece. So this is like a silk with a little polka dot lining. I like that she like included a hanger. Why not? We'll throw this in there. Okay, so then we're moving on to the 1960s, right? We have like this little like sack back here. Oh, this one, she's just like, let's leave with a pin on. Why not? She's the queen, right? But we've got some sun bleaching on the side. So this is something that we'd probably donate to like one of our friends in the theater company. But look at the prints. Look.
Wow.
It's so exciting. See, you never know. We just went from like turn of the century to the 60s and then back to the 40s again. You just never know what these boxes are gonna reveal. Oh, this is like a 40s rayon. I am terrible at flowers, but you can't be good at everything, right? This is insane. So as always, take screenshots, let us know if you're interested in anything, and watch past videos because we get new stuff all the time. This is psycho beautiful. This is the stuff that makes my heart sing after over 20 years in the business. Oh my god, it gets even better! Look at this! Oh my god, this box, you guys, look, you have to stick around for the rest of the video. It's just gonna get better and better. And share this with friends, because this is like, what is even happening? There's unicycles!
Unicycles. Just the one wheel.
Just the one wheel. One wheel is a sensitive subject in my household. If you know me, you know why. You can message me and I'll tell you why, but look at the sleeves.
Oh, wow.
I'm having a hard time breathing. These are made out of felt with little metal grommets on the inside. I can honestly say I've never seen anything like that before. Yeah. Look at these little appliques on this. What? Oh my god. This is honestly better than I anticipated. I am really kind of shocked. And like, oh, this one is silk. Look at her. Wow. Rob, what flowers are these?
That's a great question. Oh god, don't ask me. They could be violets, forget-me-nots, who knows?
Who knows? They're pretty flowers. That's the kind they are. All right, look at this guy. What are you? Between size casuals. Whatever that means. we could just open her up because she's between sizes. So we've got some belts, which match our friends over here. All right, we've got a little solid action just in case if we need a day where we're kind of feeling like we don't need a bold print. Look at this novelty print. Look at this.
Wow.
What is even going on here?
There's people.
There's people. What is in a chair?
And
Okay.
bicycles.
And bicycles. And this is a dress. I'm gonna go, okay, cool. And then I think we have come to the end with this, which will probably go to the theater company if they even want this because it's kind of beat. But a magical box for sure. The jewelry was insane. Thank you for watching. I hope this deal goes through because I'm in love with so many pieces. Let me know which one is your favorite, and happy shopping, vintage loving friends. Bye!